I got an update for you guys. I'm trying something to fix the #1 funny wine glass on Amazon. This is my #1 seller. I chronicle how I got banned from advertising after sharing this wine glass, as well as my number of sales, number of videos I've done. I have 42% conversion rate on this particular product. So I got an update for you. We're trying to use the word censored literally over the top of the word drinking, with the goal to try and get it unsuspended from advertising. So you can see here, still suspended. My video is a little in the way there. I'll pull that out for you so you can see your ad is suspended. It does not satisfy ad policy requirements. Images that depict, glorify, or encourage the consumption of alcohol is not allowed. Now, obviously, people are buying this as a silly, stupid wine glass to throw into their kitchen, to give it away. And as you can see from nearly 1,800 five-star reviews, which, by the way, all of these are organic. I literally do not ask for reviews in any shape or form. It's a well-liked product. It was literally the #1 ranked product when you went to Amazon and typed in wine glass. It came up #1. And because I did so many videos about it, I'm pretty sure somebody was like, well, that's not cool. This guy's #1. I'm going to report him. And we're seeing a ton of competitors take action like that. So I just typed in wine glass here. I've taken a pretty major hit. My video still shows up. I don't know why. The video still shows up. But the actual sponsored product currently banned. And so now I'm in like position, 30 or something organically. So I've taken a 29-point loss on organic. And so we just put this up in the last 24 hours. We're trying to attempt to see like, how do we get around this ad ban? And I'll be honest, I have no idea if this is going to work. It's just a random idea we had. Thought it'd be kind of fun to chronicle it a little bit and see what happens, right? So if you run into an ad ban yourself, it really does take some pretty extreme things. Notice how we've removed all of our other photos. We've gone down to our base image. I'm pretty certain this is going to tank my sales even further. So we're taking some risks, and we're playing with the bullet points. We're reworking them to see if certain keywords are triggering this. But right now, my leading theory is the word drinking. And that's based on the seller support tickets that we've sent. So I thought it'd be kind of funny to throw the word censored over the top because, looking at the ad ban message again, I don't really feel like my listing depicted or glorified or, encouraged the consumption of alcohol. It's a stupid wine glass. I don't even drink alcohol. It took a client call today, and he actually flat out asked me, were you just saying that? No, really. I really don't drink alcohol. I just sell funny wine glasses. It's just something I've done for 5, 6, 7 years, I think. I do it on the side. My agency is my main bread butter, but it helps me stay as a practitioner in trying to navigate Amazon, right? So, I'm becoming a hyper expert in the last few days on ad bans because I literally my top seller is banned from advertising right now. And so I'm trying to do everything I can to fix it. The other thing we did is we removed the word drinking from the product description, and I also removed my Aplus content. Completely removed it. Just to see, what is it? What element is it that Amazon is banning my product for? I'm pretty sure it's the word drinking. Now, mind you, I've had this item up for advertising for more than 1.5 years. Never once had a problem. All of a sudden, I get banned. And it happened right around the time I went on a podcast circuit. I went and talked about my glassware. This is why experts don't talk about their products publicly. They're afraid of this exact scenario. All of a sudden, you get a lot of exposure, and you got a competitor who's watching your video content, and they're like, I'm going to get that guy. I'm pretty sure that's what happened here. Sucks. Bad. Right? So I'm not losing any sleep over it. This one doesn't pay the bills for me. It's the agency that does. But nonetheless, it's still I just want to get it back. I don't feel whole right now. Right? And so you as an Amazon seller are going to experience an event like this, whether it's an ad ban or whether Amazon yanks your listing entirely, suspends your account, or maybe you get hit with like a black hat tactic where somebody loads swear words or somebody loads drug paraphernalia language to say like Canada or Europe for your keywords. Right. So there are so many problems you can face as an Amazon seller. So hopefully me documenting my ban on my advertising for my top #1 wine glass is helpful or insightful, or maybe you just want to make fun of my misery and suffering. Totally would get that too. Leave a comment on this video with your thoughts. Let me know what's happened to you and your accounts. We posted this video less than 24 hours ago. It's already got 800 views, which is pretty high for my content. It's, it feels nice to see people engaging me on this subject. And I don't know why this one was more popular. I get like 43 comments on this particular video versus my other content where I'm like technically explaining how to navigate Amazon and do this or that on Amazon. But I'll take it. If you guys want to watch me suffer, you want more suffering videos, leave a comment. Tell me. I will happily share every problem I've ever faced on Amazon. I also have a video where I talk about how Amazon totally screwed me over with my hot sauce, where after I paid Amazon more than $1 per glass to do the prep work, put it in a bubble envelope, and you know what they ended up doing with this? They freaking shipped it in a padded envelope, guys. I had to give up on my hot sauce stream. I've had this dream for years. I've always wanted to have a hot sauce, but I couldn't make money when Amazon's logistics just totally let me down. And I'm probably, maybe I'll revisit this hot sauce. If you think that I should bring the hot sauce back, let me know. I had great reviews. I did all of this work. I paid $1,500 to design the freaking logo and the label, and I thought the label was pretty cool looking, right? I did all this ABCD testing, and then all of a sudden I can't even ship my item to my customer without it being damaged because Amazon shipped it out in padded envelopes. So if you want to watch me suffer further, I'll link to that video here with me and fighting Amazon's logistics team. I lost that battle, by the way. Gave up that one. So there are many things that we do as Amazon sellers. We don't always get it right. I'm a supposed Amazon seller expert, and I still suffer along with you. So hopefully my suffering brings you some opportunity to watch how to fix these things and get some encouragement, because it is possible to fix some of the problems. Oh, one more I'll tell you about. So I had all of my listings, almost every single one, gets suppressed. So what's called a hidden suppression. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch this video here. I'm doing this all on the fly, by the way. I didn't plan this video out. But basically, the word gift was banned, and nobody said anything. There was no Amazon policy, but you couldn't use the word gift in your title anymore. And if you did, at least in my wine glass category, Amazon would suppress your listings, and they wouldn't even show up in organic results. Overnight, my sales went boom, right? Challenging. Now, that one I fixed in less than 24 hours, and the way I did it, and I chronicle that in this video, is I basically chopped my titles slowly, right? I had 50 title edits, and I did 3 words in one, 4 words in another, 5 words in another, to basically trace and isolate what the crap word is causing the suppression, because Amazon didn't tell me a thing. You call in Amazon support, talk to 3 reps, not a clue, nobody knew, right? So brute force method, went through and tested it, found out it was the word gift, removed that from the title, got it solved. So these are the sort of things that are common. Because I happen to be a practitioner and I experience these things, I truly understand what you guys go through, and hope you enjoy that. So my name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. Thanks for watching my update on my ad ban of the #1 organic wine glass on Amazon and my top seller. I'm not drinking alone. I'm social distancing. And hopefully the social distancing goes away entirely by the end of this year. I'm looking forward to that too.